Today on Do It with Dean, we're going to look at some auxiliary lights that I bought off of Amazon. These are from a company called CoLight, and I intend on putting these on the front of my Club Car Carryall for a little different look. They're round. Everybody's using 20-inch light bars, which is what I have on mine now. Um, and I thought I wanted to do a little different look. I looked at a bunch of these. Some of them are extremely expensive, like 200 bucks plus. These are 6.5 inch uh, lights, and they're supposed to be pretty decent. They have decent reviews on Amazon. I got these specific lights because they have daytime running lights in two colors, either white or amber. So, I thought we'd give these a shot. The only negative thing I saw in the reviews was that they don't come with wiring harnesses. But although the pictures, I get it, the pictures uh, do depict some wiring harnesses in their info art or whatever you want to call it. However, it states clearly that it does not come with a wiring harness and that you must purchase it separately in the description. So, um, you got to read these Amazon descriptions, folks. Uh, you know, so many people fall victim to that, and you got to pay attention to the size and the other things. Um, first impression, these things are nice looking. They're uh, they're big. They pictures don't do them justice. Let's take one out here and check it out. Tell you what, they're nice and heavy. You never know when you order this stuff online. Uh, this is a nice aluminum alloy housing. The bracket is exceptional. Looks to be stainless. Um, this is a nice heavy light. It's supposed to be a breathable case, like a mil-spec breathing case. Um, Pretty impressed with the hardware. Comes with like a DT style plug, waterproof, which is going to pose a problem because I wanted to punch it through the cowl, but we'll figure out how to get past that. Adjustable. Hopefully, it will adjust enough for my needs because I'm putting it on a slanted cowl. But anyway, these are decent lights. We'll see what they look like, of course, but pretty interesting. It comes with this part of the wiring harness, which is going to fit up next to their plug. Let's get a 12-volt converter and let's check out what these are going to look like. Hang on. All right, so let's plug in this 12-volt converter and see if we can get some juice to these things and see what they look like. I've had this old 12-volt converter for a long time. I think I got it from my dad. It's come in handy if you don't have one. All right, so let's get a couple of different leads here going. Get a positive going. And we'll get a negative going. Got a little fuse I built in here to this little alligator clip lead. Well, it looks like this is the positive side. See if I can get this in here without causing some drama. Well, might help if I plug that in, huh? Let's try it. There we go. Well, there you go. That's extremely bright. My camera's having a hard time dealing with that. But that's extremely bright. Um, Extremely bright. I like it a lot. So I'm going to leave that negative plugged in, and I'm going to charge the daytime running lights. Pretty neat. That's the amber side. And I'm sorry, that's the white side. Let's charge the amber side. Pretty decent brightness. I think these are going to work out all right. I think I'll hook those to my 12 volt side of my converter so that when I turn my key on the cart, that those will automatically come on. We'll see how that works out. It sounds good, but we'll see how that works out. All in all, first impressions are a nice solid case. The bracket seems to be stainless, thick, 3/16 or better there. The finish seems to be okay. I'm kind of shocked that these, come with stainless brackets. I don't even think I'll paint them. I have some other aluminum, unfinished aluminum on my cart, so might just leave it like it is and get them on there and see what it looks like. But these seem to be well built. The durability will be another thing. But you can see these connectors. Everything's waterproof connectors. Nice thick jacketing. This is actually impressive. Nice thick sleeve. Comes with everything you need to get it hooked in. So yeah, I like these a lot. I'll keep you up to date when we put them on. I got these finally wired up, and they look pretty good. I went ahead and instead of switching the daytime running lights, I wired them to my 12 volt uh, step down reducer and to a fuse, so that when the key's on, the daytime running lights come on. I'm replacing some other lights that were on here, so I just reused some existing holes. I like these DT connectors it comes with. Just pose a little problem punching through, so I got a little bundled up wire here. But underneath, basically, I just connected the two lights together. Um, I was running a 20-inch light bar on the same relay anyway, so I ran them both together and then ran, it goes to my headlight switch that was pre-existing. Um, and then this yellow wire is the amber daytime running lights. I just capped off the uh, white daytime running lights, and I'm about to fix all these wires up. But that yellow wire runs back to my 12 volt box, which is here, and this is just one of the terminals in my fuse box that I made with my step down converter. So now when I turn the key on, my daytime running lights come on, and they look pretty good on there. I like them. And then my headlight switch, it keeps the amber daytime running lights on. Pretty neat look. But all in all, these lights, if they hold up, going to be a pretty good investment. Now, I got these on sale on Amazon on Prime Day. Actually, I think I picked them up for $117. They're currently $160. Um, I think I'm gonna like them. I hope they hold up. They seem to be real durable. Um, Looks like a pretty good deal. A lot of bang for your buck. There's some other lights out there, aux beam. They're going to cost you $100 more. The only thing I can think of is these lenses are plastic on here and not glass, but they're pretty thick and durable. So we'll see. We'll see how they hold up. Can't be a lot of abuse going on a golf cart. So anyway, that's my CoLight lights. Hope you enjoyed the fast install there. We'll see you next time on Do It with Dean.